We're partnering with women political leaders because we really share the same values. We believe in greater diversity, greater inclusion for women leaders, especially the women leaders of tomorrow. What we've done is we've sponsored 22 young women that are joining the Girls to Leader program to be here at the WPL conference in Vilnius, learning from amazing women political leaders. We had a session on money and mentorship and supplying money services to women.
I really wanted to connect with other girls from all over the world. When we met, it was really awesome because then you realize that all of them eventually face the same problems.
We need to build networks. Unfortunately, women, we do not have the tradition of networking. We can do much more when we are together and not on our own.
Being around all these amazing women, it's empowering. I'm meeting like women from everywhere.
I want young women to know that they really can do anything.
Thanks to conferences like these, women are starting to realize that they do have a voice. And if the boys don't make room for us, we're gonna make room for ourselves.
Don't say no to any interesting things before you try it, because you will manage it.
We need to do our utmost to empower our young women and girls and to encourage them to be the champions of today so that we will ensure that we will have wise leaders tomorrow.
I hope that they have the self-confidence to go into politics and to make a difference. These are all values that we really support, and so we are really happy to be a part of it.